Hello friends, in the last recording we have seen that how to check whether number is prime or not in Java. But where I said that input is to be initialized, but now I am going to tell you how to supply input to the program using command line argument. Command line argument. So friend, you should understand what is the meaning of command line arguments. So command line means you go to the command prompt and whatever inputs you are giving here, that is command line argument. So let me show you an example like Java prime and 10. That means you should input in this way, Java prime 10. That means I want to supply the number 10, numeric 10, integer 10 as input to the program prime. Fine. So this at the command line you are just giving input, that's why it is command line. Argument, why it is argument? Because whatever you have entered such inputs like 10, 20, 30, so all these inputs are going to be stored, all these inputs are going to be stored as argument. That's why it is known as command line argument. So when you are executing your program, you supply the inputs where exactly it's going to store. So here, okay, that this is the meaning of command line argument, and all the inputs that you have provided at the command line will be stored here. So your first input will be args0, second input would be args1, and so on. So I'll first check, is any input given to me? So I'll first write, in args array, I'll just check the length property, length, length property, if equal to 0. If is equal to 0, that means no input is given. If no input is given, straightforward, I'll write here, please provide input. See, look at it, now you understand what I'm saying. And let me write here system.out.println, system.out.println, and please provide input. And immediately you stop execution. Stop execution means this is your function main and you want to terminate the execution of main, so you should write return. To terminate any function, you might have studied in C programming, you should write return statement. Fine, so execution will not go ahead. So let me save this, go to the command line, compile this. As said, there is no error. Let me run it without giving any input. Okay, see what it says. Please provide input. Fine. So in this way you can check whether number is entered by the user or not. Now let me go ahead one more thing. Let me with one more concepts. If number is provided, definitely the length is greater than 1. How many numbers you have provided? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it is not 0 means it will not terminate it. You will come here. The execution control will come here. So in that case, what should I do? Whatever first number is entered, that is stored in args0. Try to understand this. Whatever the first number that you entered, if I'll execute like this 30, 20, so this 20 is going to be stored as a first element in the argument array. So I am writing here args0. So this args0 holds 20, but no, type is string. So I should convert this string into numeric, then I can perform divisibility test and I can do some other stuff. So what should I do? I should convert this string to integer. So to convert string to integer, there is an integer class, and where there is a method, so dot parse integer, and you just give this as an argument. So this is okay. We'll discuss later also. What exactly the meaning of integer. It's a wrapper class. How we can say it's a method. We'll discuss later. But this is the way to convert a string to integer. Fine. So now whatever you have entered, like 20, a 20 will store into this first element in the array, and that first element you checked, yeah, it is not 0, number is provided. If it is provided, it is there in args0, that 0 is available in form of string. So what will you convert into integer, and now the rest of the process you have done. That's all. So let me save this program, go to the command prompt, recompile this, and let me run now with different inputs like fit 12. So it said it's not a prime. Let me enter here 25, again it says not a prime. So what are the prime numbers? Say 23, yeah, it's prime. So again I can run with 57, 257, yeah, it's prime. See, so in this way you can provide input. You don't require to change your source code, change some initial value, and again recompile. You can also provide your you can also provide your input at the command line. Yeah, thank you for watching video. And if you have any query, you can write me at the email ID kamalampatel@gmail.com. Thank you.